And then she'll shed her skin.
Huh?
She'll shed her skin
No, she'll probably after the
after
next
she
feeding, maybe.
eats. Oh.
Sometimes it takes 2-3 feedings, or if it's a big rat, though. Yeah, well, they'll stretch out.
Oh, whoa.
Cool, huh? Here, let me think. You want to put maybe 2 sugar worms in each one of the spiders, and divide
Crickets?
the crickets up if you want, and then the 2 for 6. Only